Hey my lovelies, I was so curious to try this viral Japanese hair mask from Shiseido Fino Premium Touch, so let's see my first impression. I've already washed my hair and I tried it in this towel. And lately I have been using this range from Shiseido, it's also from Shiseido, Tsubaki, Premium Moist and Repair. I have here the shampoo and the conditioner. I can say that I love them both. You know that I fall in love for the first time with that yellow range, and this time I wanted to try another range. So this one is also so good. I can say that this one is a little bit more hydrating and more nourishing. Also the shampoo. The shampoo from the yellow range is more like a gel, and as you see, this one is more like a milky texture. Is so hydrating. It cleans very well the hair, doesn't leave it dry, and this is how my hair looks after I used only the shampoo today. And usually when I wash my hair once a week, I can use the conditioner or I can use a mask. And because today I want to try for the first time this hair mask from Shiseido with you, I didn't apply the conditioner because I want to see how this product works. I just wanted to keep you updated about these products because I have been using them lately and I can say that I love them so much. Okay, let's apply this mask because today it's about this mask. I was so curious about this mask, guys, and I haven't tried it yet because I especially waited to try it for the first time with you. And usually when I use a hair mask, I make sure that I wash my hair very well twice with the shampoo, and then I dry it a little bit in a towel. Usually I use a regular towel, but because today I wanted to film this video for you, I used this towel, this turban. I just make sure that I absorb very well the water from the hair in a towel, and then I apply the product because this way the product absorbs better into the hair. And as you see, my hair is so tangled because the length of my hair is so dry, and I usually apply a lot of mask or a lot of conditioner. So let's try this mask. It smells so good, guys. The texture looks like this. Looks so nourishing. So let's take this amount and spread it on the hair. Yes, the smell is unbelievable. Love it so much. As I see, I need more. This is how the blonde hair is, guys. My length is so dry, especially after washing, so it needs a lot of care. And of course I have to leave this mask on the hair for 15 minutes or 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Actually, I make sure when I wash my hair that I have more time for the mask, like to leave it more, because this way the product absorbs better into the hair and the product works better. So of course I leave it maybe for 30 minutes today. And yes, guys, I will apply more. My hair is so dry, especially because it's blonde, and especially because even though I don't use hot tools so often, but my hair is so fragile, like I told you so many times, it's so fragile. It's so easy to break, especially because my hair, as you see at the roots, is so dark. And when you bleach a very dark hair, of course it becomes fragile and easy to break, so I make sure that I apply more mask and conditioner. And as you see, I've applied this amount. It has 230 grams. Okay, see you guys in 30 minutes. Hey my lovelies, I had the mask on for 45 minutes, so let's see how my hair looks. As you see, now it's not so dry. I think the mask nourished it very well. I usually, after I leave the mask for 30-45 minutes, 2 hours sometimes, if I have some work to do. And before I rinse it, I make sure that I spread very well the mask into the hair for a couple minutes to work better. Because now, as you see, my hair is full of product and I can manage it better, so I can leave the mask maybe for 2 minutes, but as you see, this time I'm massaging it into the hair. I rinse my hair and this is how it looks after the mask. As you see, it's not as tangled as after the shampoo. It's more soft, more shiny, but I can't wait to try it to see the real result. After I dried it a little bit, I can feel that my hair is very well hydrated and nourished. And let's see if the comb glides through the hair very easily. And yes, as I see, this mask detangled my hair very well, because my hair, when it's wet, is so hard to detangle. As you see, always here in the middle, my brush stops a little, but I know when a product is good or not, because if I can easily brush it after I wash my hair, after I use the conditioner or after I use a mask, it means that the product or the products are good. So I like that it shines so much. I'm so curious how it will look after I dry my hair, like fully dry. As you see now it's wet, but I usually leave it a little bit more wet because I will blow dry my hair. Oh my god, you know what guys, my hair is so soft. It feels so full of product, even though I haven't applied a leave-in or any other product. I have applied only the mask, I rinsed it, and now it looks like this. And I can't believe how easily my comb glides through the hair, guys. Look! It's so important to use a mask, even though I like the conditioners as well. But when it comes to the blonde hair, guys, nothing beats a hair mask. And I think this one is so good, really. Because it's so annoying when my hair is wet and I can't detangle it. Love it. And you know what? My fingers feels a little bit greasy after I go with the fingers through the hair, because like I told you, my hair feels so full of product. I think this mask from Fino absorbs better into the hair than the Tsubaki one. Now I'm going to blow dry my hair, but of course before this I'm going to apply this heat protection spray from got2b Guardian Angel. Looks like this. You know what guys, I have been using this spray lately and I love it so much. It looks like this. It doesn't have any heavy or greasy texture. It's not like a leave-in, it's more like a spray, so liquidy as you see. And I can apply it on dry hair or on wet hair like now. And then I'll blow dry my hair because it's so important to use a heat protectant spray. You know what guys, I didn't expect that this mask would be so nourishing. Look at this. Even though I dried my hair, I blow dried my hair actually, and it looks like my hair, it's so greasy. I don't know, maybe I applied too much product or I left it too much time on the hair, but this is so nourishing. I like the shine, I like that it makes my hair so soft, it detangles it so well. But you know what, I think I have to wash my hair again. Look at this. And trust me, I dried my hair a lot with a hair dryer. It's like I've applied a ton of oil, even though I didn't apply any oil or any other product. You saw I've applied only the mask. Even though I rinsed it very well, it looks like I've applied too much. I think it's too much. I don't know. I'll try it more and of course I'll let you know guys. Hello lovelies, it's me again the other day trying again this hair mask from Fino. You saw last time that I applied too much product and of course I tried it many times and I usually apply this much or actually a little bit more, maybe something like this, is enough for my hair. But after trying it many times, I definitely can say that it's a very good hair mask. First of all, because it detangles my hair so easily, leaves it soft and shiny. You'll see it after I will dry my hair. And I also really like the scent of this mask because it makes my hair to smell so nice.